It's been 10 years since Dearborn Truck Plant opened,
and we've been very busy.
There are more than 3,000 of us
plus 347 robots
working to build America's favorite truck every single day.
It takes 20 hours for one truck to go through 4.2 miles of assembly line to be completed.
We've built more than 2.6
million trucks since 2004.
We've seen 10 model years of F-150.
And more than 580,000 combinations.
The cafeteria has served up 640,000 sandwiches and 220,000 slices of pizza in the last 10 years.
But trucks aren't all we do.
The employees of the Dearborn Truck Plant have donated to several charities, including more than $150,000 to the March of Dimes and over $160,000 to the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation.
And have you seen our roof?
We call it the living roof, and 35 species of insects and birds call it home.
It's more than 10.4 acres of drought-resistant vegetation.
Dearborn Truck Plant has a natural storm water system.
Costs 2/3 less than the natural processes.
We have also recycled 16 million pounds of cardboard,
3 million pounds of plastic, and 2 million pounds of wood.
Since 2004, we've been making trucks faster,
smarter,
and we can't wait.
And we can't wait.
And we can't wait.
Can't wait.
Start building the all-new.
The new 2015.
The new 2015.
F-150.
Woo!